In this part of the course, we will be dealing with the complexity of the concept of nature and also its impact on communication and our activities. So we will deal with the kind of ambiguity of this term and ambiguity in communication, and also with nature promotion. So it is commonly understood that we naturally kind of know what nature means because we use it daily, but it can be different aspects of this term in different contexts. So, for instance, definitions of nature or understanding of nature can be like something, everything except cities, untouched by humans, living organisms, or something it is really like not related to humans, uh, or something like without which exists without human intervention, like untouched rainforest, for instance, or something that is result of natural process. So a selectively bred plant is natural in this other sense. Or also people, when they say it's natural, they also make like evaluative claim that they are at the same time kind of saying that this is something good or it's like better than something else, it's something authentic. So uh, some authors also criticize, like Mark Sego criticized the romanticized views of nature as pure and human impact as bad. That of course it is important to understand these different approaches. So these words like nature, natural, or sustainable, eco-friendly, green, and so on can mean different things to different people, and this can be abused by intentionally used by marketing and politics and some manipulators, of course. So what does it mean, for instance, to say that the product is natural? Does it mean like including no chemicals or no chemistry, which is also very like ambiguous and very problematic, because chemistry is natural science, and everything what the chemistry or what is like has chemical components, it's kind of like natural. So in which sense of nature we are speaking about and what we are saying? Is it like also minimally processed, or is it something meaning organic, local, or something like what it means? Also, sustainable agriculture, what does it mean? Is it really like some organic, local, or long-term productive agriculture? Similar green energy, and so on. Uh, then also we should be dealing with this nature promotion. So nature, it's not just forests and animals, but it includes everything that kind of sustains life, and it has like many parts, like there are like 5 main parts of nature. So geosphere, it's like rocks, soils, minerals, it's the foundation for ecosystem. Hydrosphere, which is like the water systems, lakes, oceans, groundwaters. Atmosphere, which is like the third one, it's then air and climate. So there is like CO2, weather patterns, and so on. Then fourth is like cryosphere, like ice caps, glaciers. It's like also critical for climate stability. And the fifth one is biosphere, which you can guess it's related to all living beings or all living things, including plants, animals, microorganisms, but also human beings are also living creatures. So it is obvious that the climate change is impacting all the five spheres, and the processes are interrelated. So how we can also promote the nature in our daily life? We can rethink what natural mean and be skeptical about so-called greenwashing. So be skeptical about what that natural means, what really that author or that label is trying to say. Uh, whether it is like biodegradable and what it means, what impact it has on the waste management and the nature. Then supporting sustainable land use, avoiding monocultures and over extractions. For instance, buying shade grown coffee helps preserve forest ecosystems, so that is one approach, but you can also skip coffee um, at all, maybe. Also, reduce impact on Earth system, so protect all five spheres. So we can choose, for instance, reef safe sunscreens to protect the ocean, or just protect ourselves with some other ways than sunscreen. So, nature is dynamic and ever changing, and our role is to navigate, respect, and protect it wisely. So, we have to keep in mind all these complex systems.